Vehicles torched, angry demonstrations, slogans denouncing a new citizenship law that excludes Muslims from 6 religious groups that stand to get citizenship if they are from 3 neighboring countries and fleeing persecution. College students have been at the forefront of the protests staged across the country.
Our refugee policy cannot be on religious grounds. Our constitution does not allow it. It can be on humanitarian grounds.
This is the agenda of creating a barricade between Hindu and Muslim and basically distracting us from the real issues, that is economic crisis.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi says the new law is a humanitarian measure to help those who have no place to go except India. His critics have questioned why it does not include groups like the Rohingyas, the Muslim minority in Myanmar who also face persecution. An estimated 40,000 live in India.
This law which changes, effectively creates a hierarchy of citizenship based on religious identity, putting Muslims on one side and people of every other major religious identity on the other. In terms of their access to citizenship rights, is a terrifying idea.
Home Minister Amit Shah has told Parliament that no Indian Muslim risks losing his citizenship. But there is deep anxiety among India's largest minority because he has also vowed to roll out a nationwide citizen identification plan to root out illegal immigrants. In the northeastern state of Assam, where such an exercise has been conducted, 2 million face the prospect of being declared stateless. Under the plan, only Muslims risk losing their nationality, while others, such as Hindus, will be protected by the new law.
It undoes what was intended by the Indian Constitution in terms of its secular fabric, but it doesn't redo it in terms of anything else. This largely is a destructive set of laws, not a constructive set of laws.
With demands to scrap the law snowballing, Modi's test will be to ensure that it does not erode his popularity at home or dent the country's image overseas.
You are seeing today, I think, the beginnings of a very, very serious social protest. And I do think this government will be branded as one that is seen as Hindu nationalist, anti-Muslim. Now, does it change its domestic politics in the short term? Probably not. But don't forget that having international acceptance for a developing country like India matters a lot for its larger international goals.
Legal challenges to the new law have already been mounted, but the bigger challenge will be to tackle the groundswell of anger against it. Anjana Pasricha for VOA News, New Delhi.